Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question, how long can I keep my money in Deel? This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm happy to finally be able to give you a definitive answer. Before I get into the details, I want to take a moment to talk about what Deel is. Deel is a global payroll and HR platform that makes it easy for companies to hire and pay employees around the world. Deel provides a range of services, including payroll, benefits, and compliance. Now that you have a better understanding of what Deel is, let's get into the question of how long you can keep your money in Deel. The answer to this question depends on a number of factors, including your country of residence and the type of account you have. In general, you can keep your money in Deel for as long as you need to. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. Deel charges a monthly fee for each account. If you don't use your account for a period of time, Deel may charge you an inactivity fee. If you close your account, you will need to withdraw all of your funds. If you are concerned about the fees associated with keeping your money in Deel, you can always withdraw your funds at any time. Additional information. Here are some additional things to keep in mind when using Deel. Deel is a regulated company, so your funds are safe. Deel offers a variety of payment methods, including bank transfer, credit card, and PayPal. Deel provides excellent customer support. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.